Hey, what's up? It's Kronk17 coming at you with another unboxing. But first, let's have a toke. So how are you guys doing today? Sorry about that. Hope everything's been well in the YouTube world. Cheers. Pretty good stuff. Another one. Oh. Sorry about that. I'm ready to get my day started. So, I have an unboxing for you. But, I'm not going to tell you what it is. It's going to be another mixture unboxing. So, without further ado, I said, without further ado, let's cut right into it. My God, how many of those do we need? It is Tales of Xillia, the Collector's Edition. And a receipt. So, Tales of Xillia. Decent box. Impressed. Everything is raised. And if you've been watching unboxings of it, you know what it looks like, you know what the sides look like, you know what the back looks like. Doesn't really matter. So what it comes with is the game, art book, statue, DLC, average contents of a box, or a collector's edition anyways. So, sorry about that, I was just reading a little bit. So, let's dive right into it. So now it's unwrapped. There are the contents. What is included. I think that's the coolest part of the box. Side seems to be a little bit stuck. Alright, got that out. So, what comes first in the edition that you see is Mila and Jude. Mila Maxwell and Jude Mathis, sorry. Jude Mathis. I can honestly say this is my first attempt into this Tales series. I'm kind of disappointed with myself that I never really knew much about this series, but I'm kind of excited to start playing it from here. I'm actually going to go be getting Tales of Graces F and whatever other Tales games that were on the PS3 and other PlayStation consoles, so kind of excited to go see what is up with the other games and see how awesome they are. So you look into the box, that's the contents. This is what we have first. Okay, so first we have an art book, hardcover art book. Honestly, I thought it was gonna be a little bit shittier, but now that I have it in my hands, it's not bad. It's pretty nifty little artwork there. I'm impressed. Oh, it is an actually sealed copy of the disc. The audio CD, you know, the soundtrack and whatnot. That is nice. At least we got a nice CD case. And then, of course, the game. Pretty stoked to try it. Looks very interesting, and it has by far amazing anime type cutscenes. That's what kind of hooked me. So, I'm not even gonna lie, that's literally what hooked me. So, I'll put that box to the side. And here's the figure. My number is 13,475. Out of what? We don't know. So, I'm actually gonna cut into this box, get that tape taken out. There we go. Just get that tape out of there, you know. And I'm kind of skeptical about breaking the seal. I want to see if the tape will lift up. So bear with me for a second. And it does. And folks, you never had to break your seal. That is pretty sweet. So, right then and there is the seal. I will set this to the side. It's very sticky. So, slightly. Yeah, that's why you break the seal, I guess, because that is sticky. There's just like another piece of tape or something. I don't know. Oh god. Seemed like there was another piece of tape under there. It's funky. It's a funky. So, as you can tell, pretty plain box on the inside. And here we got the figure. Let me go ahead and cut this tape real quick off camera. Oh, that was almost a fail. love that new plastic smell, man. And here we go. Here's the figure. The Mila Maxwell figure. It is quite beautiful, I would say. There's some tape around her, you know, because keep it a little bit more in place. It's just a thing of paper or plastic, whatnot. So here is the figure. Very well drawn and detailed. I would say this is one of the nicer PlayStation figures I can say I've gotten. With the collector's edition anyways, I thought the Killzone was actually pretty badass as well. So yeah, that is the collector's edition for Tales of Xillia. Those are the contents. I hope you had an awesome time doing this unboxing with me. As always, comment, rate, and if you would like to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be doing a lot more things. I got a couple projects in mind that I'm thinking about doing, so stay tuned. I just uploaded a video today. I'm going to upload another one today. I'm going to upload another one later, you know, so you guys are going to get some content. I hope not to blow you up, so maybe I'll upload this tomorrow and maybe another one the next day, but we'll see how it goes, how I feel. So, have an awesome day, and I hope that I see people playing Tales, and I hope you enjoy the game as much as I hope I enjoy the game, and I have high hopes for it. So I will see you guys later. It's time to go game. Stoners are out.